Books and notes might look boring at first glance, but imagine if every page you read was like a hidden treasure map. Every equation was a puzzle, and every subject was a story waiting to be unlocked. Studies don't have to feel heavy or dull. It's all about how you approach them. Today, let's explore some super fun and smart ways to make learning exciting. Detailed tips to make studies interesting. 1. Turn learning into a game. Use flashcards, quizzes, or apps like Quizzes, Kahoot, or Anki. Challenge yourself with time limits or reward points. 2. Colorful notes and mind maps. Use different colors, doodles, and flowcharts. Visuals help the brain remember faster and make notes look less boring. 3. Relate studies to real life. Physics and cricket, maths and shopping discounts, history and movies. The more you connect it, the more meaningful it feels. 4. Teach what you learn. Explain concepts to a friend, sibling, or even to your mirror. If you can teach it, you've mastered it. 5. Use stories and mnemonics. Create funny acronyms or short stories to memorize tough concepts. Example, BODMAS for math rules or My Very Educated Mother for planets. 6. Set study challenges, 25-minute Pomodoro sessions with small breaks. Try finish 2 chapters before dinner type challenges. 7. Mix music and study. Listen to calm lo-fi beats or instrumental music. It keeps your mind fresh and focused. 8. Group study with fun activities. Quiz each other, make study competitions, or role play as teachers. You'll learn faster in a fun way. 9. Reward yourself. After completing a goal, treat yourself with a snack, 10-minute scroll, or a nap. Small rewards make the brain crave more study success cycles. 10. Change your environment. Study at a park, library, or even change your desk setup. New places give fresh motivation. So next time you sit with your books, don't just study, play with your subjects, paint them, question them, and live them. Because studying is not about cramming words, it's about discovering new worlds. Keep your curiosity alive, and trust me, learning will never feel like a burden again. It'll feel like an adventure you'll always want to continue.